Hey y'all, welcome to Peyton Energetics. I'm Peyton and I'm a Pleiadian channel. So in today's Pleiadian point of view, the guides wanted to talk to us a little bit about open contact. Now, as you know, as we crossed into 2023, we have actually moved into, as a human collective, the window for open contact. So the Pleiadians wanted us to know that our galactic family is getting closer and closer to us. Now, one thing that they wanted to tell the awakened community about all of this, because they know that so many lightworkers and starseeds are so excited for contact, for disclosure, to reconnect with their galactic family, they wanted us to know that their ships are in our skies right now. So if this is something that has always been kind of a fascination for you, the Pleiadians wanted us to know that they are here, that many of our star races who are supporting us through the ascension are right on our doorstep. So what they said that you could do if you are someone who is interested in seeing them is just as you are out on your walks, as you are out in nature, ask to see them. They said they will show themselves to you. But one thing that they always want us to know, especially as we are moving into the open contact window, is that they will never impose on our free will. So if you are interested in connecting with them, it's always good for us to extend the invitation, because the benevolent races will go out of their way not to put us in fear, not to step on our free will. So they really are very, very cautious of, very sensitive to not putting humans in fear. That's one of the worst things that can happen for a collective that is on the verge of contact, is anything that would put humans in fear of our galactic family. So if you are someone who wants to see their ships, they said they will show them to you. Just ask to see them when you're out in nature. Now, something else they wanted to share with us about open contact is they wanted to talk to the awakened community and let us know that as lightworkers and starseeds, we are the ambassadors of this process. We are here to help the human collective understand that the galactics are our family. Because as we know our world structure and how we live in a fear machine, we know that a lot of people are going to be quite shocked and in fear as the revelations start to roll out on an increasing basis, which we are already seeing pretty intensely just since the start of 2023. We are seeing reports everywhere. We are seeing the first acknowledgments from our government sources. So as this spreads, as the awakened community, we are the ones who are the bridge in this process to help our collective understand that there's no need to fear this, that our galactic friends are really our family. They are here to help us, to support us, to welcome us back to the galactic table. And so we are the ones who are going to be showing humanity the way, showing them that this is really a gigantic family reunion. So the Pleiadians just wanted all lightworkers and starseeds to know how important our role is in this process, that we are going to be the ones reassuring people that our galactic family has our best interest at heart. So you as a lightworker or a starseed, you are a bridge to help make this contact possible. And the Pleiadians also wanted to let us know that they have now officially been given permission to openly interact with us. So as you have probably heard through the course of your spiritual training and education, for most of our lifespan, Earth has been a no-fly zone. Our galactic family was prevented by international protocols from making contact with us. There is something called the law of non-intervention that prohibits more advanced species, which is pretty much everyone. As we go through this awakening process, we realize that as humans, although we think quite highly of ourselves, we are truly the toddlers of the galaxy. And so more advanced races, now this only of course applies to benevolent races, and we'll come back to that in a second. The benevolent races take very seriously what is known as the non-interference protocol, or the law against non-interference, which just prohibits more advanced races from sharing information with us, technology with us, and making contact with a civilization that is still evolving. And our benevolent star races take these non-intervention requirements, protocols, very, very seriously. And so many of our benevolent family members have taken a very hands-off approach with us until they were given permission, meaning that a civilization had reached a point in its evolution that it was ready for contact. So we have finally reached that point. We have made that decision as a collective. Now, always bear in mind, there are infinite timelines. So not every person on Earth will be on the same timeline, but for those that I am talking to, you are probably on an ascension timeline where our connection, our reunion with our galactic family is, the doors are opening to it. It is here. So the Pleiadians wanted us to know that they have officially been given permission to interact with us. So this is something that I know so many of us in the spiritual community are extremely excited about. I know I completely geek out on this. So if you are someone who is excited for contact, just know that the window for contact is here. And if you are interested in participating, the guides are always open to our invitation to interact with them. So you have heard the Pleiadians say in several videos that they are super excited to work with any humans that want to work with them. And the Arcturians, who I channel on occasion, have said the same thing. So our star family wanted us to know that they are standing on our doorstep and just awaiting our invitation. So if you are someone who is interested in taking them up on that offer, I have lots of videos to help you do that. But our star family is truly here, and they're just waiting for our invitation. Because again, they will be very, very careful, at least the benevolent races, not to do anything to put us in fear. So this is a very exciting time. We have actually entered the window of contact, and the guides are telling us they are moving closer every day. So as we get ready for a reunion with our galactic family, and I have to tell you, that is a family reunion I would actually look forward to. It is on our doorstep. So setting our intentions, starting to invite them to work with us, to set the intention to work with our benevolent family members can start to help you open the door to working with your galactic family. So that is today's Pleiadian point of view. I hope that helps you. I'll see you soon. Bye.